What if I told you that the semiconductor boom we are seeing today might only be the beginning? Many semiconductor stocks have already delivered incredible returns. Companies like Nvidia Corporation have surged dramatically, and the VanEck Semiconductor ETF SMH is trading close to its all-time highs. Because of this, a lot of investors are asking the same question. Did we already miss the semiconductor boom, or is the real growth still ahead of us? In my opinion, we might still be in the early stages of this massive technological shift. And in this video, I want to explain why the semiconductor industry could continue growing for many years to come. Before we dive deeper, if you enjoy videos about investing, ETFs, and long-term wealth building, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to continue making more content like this. Now let's talk about why semiconductors are so important. Today, semiconductors are basically the foundation of modern technology. Almost every advanced technology we use depends on powerful chips. Artificial intelligence, cloud computing, electric vehicles, data centers, robotics, and even smartphones all require increasingly advanced semiconductors. For example, companies like Nvidia Corporation are producing the GPUs that power modern AI systems. Memory demand is rapidly increasing for companies like Micron Technology, especially as AI models and data centers require massive amounts of data processing. At the same time, advanced chip manufacturing relies heavily on extremely specialized machines produced by companies like ASML Holding. Without these companies and their technologies, many of the innovations we are seeing today simply would not be possible. Another major reason the semiconductor industry could continue growing is that chips are now used in almost everything around us. They are inside smartphones, laptops, electric vehicles, smart home devices, medical equipment, industrial machines, and even everyday household appliances. As the world becomes more digital and more connected, the demand for semiconductors will likely continue increasing. In fact, many analysts believe that the global semiconductor market could grow significantly over the next decade. The rise of artificial intelligence alone is expected to create enormous demand for advanced chips and computing power. Because of this long-term growth potential, my personal strategy is to focus on the entire semiconductor sector rather than trying to pick individual winners. One way I do this is by investing in the VanEck Semiconductor ETF, or SMH. This ETF gives exposure to several major semiconductor companies, including Nvidia Corporation, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, and Broadcom Inc. Personally, I have been consistently investing in SMH for the past few years, and my plan is to continue investing in it for many more years. I believe the semiconductor industry has strong long-term growth potential as technology continues to evolve. Now I know some people might be thinking, but semiconductor stocks have already gone up so much. Is it too late to invest? And honestly, based on my personal opinion, I do not think it is too late for long-term investors. If someone has a time horizon of 10 years or more, the semiconductor industry could still offer strong growth opportunities. Of course, market can always be volatile in short term, but long-term technological trends often play out over many years. That being said, I always want to make it clear that this is just my personal opinion and not financial advice. Everyone should do their own research and make investment decisions based on their own financial goals and risk tolerance. But when I look at the growth of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, electric vehicles, and advanced computing, it really feels like semiconductors are becoming more important to the global economy every single year. So while semiconductor stocks have already had an incredible run, the real question might not be, did we miss the boom? The real question might be, are we still in the early stages of the semiconductor revolution? If you are enjoying this type of content, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what you think. Are you currently investing in semiconductor stocks or ETFs, or are you still waiting for the right opportunity? I would love to hear your thoughts.